In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Hisense soundbar to your TV using an HDMI cable. It's very easy, so let's get started right away. Step number one is to take your HDMI cable. One of these is included in the box with your soundbar, but if you have lost it, I'll put links in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. So in the back of your Hisense TV, you're gonna find the ports. And the HDMI port is this one over here. It's hard to mistake it. So take your cable, align it, and simply plug it like that. On the back of your TV, you may have multiple HDMI ports. You may have 1, 2, 3, or even 4. Usually, every single HDMI port is marked 1 to 4 or 1 to 3, whatever how many you have, but one of them will be HDMI ARC. On this TV, you see over here, the HDMI number 2 is the ARC, and this is where you need to connect the soundbar. So go ahead and connect it in that one. Next step is to power on your soundbar if it's not already the case, and I already turned it on. As you see here, there is a white light. Then you're gonna find your remote control, or you can find the same button, this one over here, the source selector. It's the second one on your soundbar, okay, with this logo. Press on it until you hear HDMI.
Bluetooth, USB, AUX, optical, HDMI
Okay,
ARC.
perfect. Once you're in HDMI with your soundbar, put this remote aside. Take the remote control off your TV. This is an LG TV. Yours maybe something else. It's about the same for any brands. You're gonna press the settings button. Over here I have it. And we need to go into the sound options. So over here I have sound mode, and if I go down, sound out. Under sound out, make sure you have selected HDMI ARC, since this is where we have connected the sound bar. This way we'll make sure that the sound goes directly in the sound bar. And once you have selected this, depending on your TV, in this LG TV, I need to go in all settings. After doing that, go in the sound settings, and I have advanced settings, and you may have other options depending again on your TV brand. This LG TV does not let you customize too much, but overall at this point you simply need to launch Netflix, YouTube, or your music and start listening. The sound should come out directly to your Hisense soundbar without you having to change any other settings. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.